With an existence spanning more than a decade, at R&D we have pioneered and perfected the art of manufacturing and introducing new and improved techniques and machinery for poultry slaughter equipment. With a constant endeavor to establish poultry farming as a prime industry, we bring together technology and affordability. Thus, shopkeepers, farmers and traders can look at this arena as a profitable avenue. We cater to both large-scale plants as well as small units and customized equipments tailored to suit all your needs. Can you believe it? Behind this plush setup lies a complete slaughterhouse. Believe it. We set up this manual plant with an output of 600 birds per day. It is a convenient way for shopkeepers to utilize their basement storage space as a slaughterhouse. Here we have designed a lift mechanism so that one can slaughter and clean the birds in the lower shop floor down below and have them sent up to the upper floor level to pass through further stages of chilling and cutting before reaching the end user. This enables you to use cheap basements for slaughtering and the upper shop floor prime property for your shop and sale counter. If you lack the resources for a venture of this size, why not make your existing setup faster? You could opt for our defeathering machine or our portioning machine, which compared to their counterparts, the human hands, are more cost-effective and hygienic, thus giving your customer the perfect chicken in minutes. At R&D, we do not change your setup, but only enhance it for you. If you are looking for that extra buck in your business, you don't need to sell your stock to slaughterhouses and traders. Simply set up one of your own slaughtering units. Let us take for instance this small unit which gives an output of 4,000 birds per day. Spread over an area of just 600 square feet and employing only 8 men, thus bringing down the cost of manpower required for manual slaughter. This unit synergizes your land and resources to perfect utility, thus opening up a new avenue to increase your profits. All you need to do is call us up and we do the rest. You could soon own your own brand of poultry products and eventually look at a large production plant. R&D, as the name suggests, is constantly trying to enhance this industry. Our plants are a perfect unison of technology and practicability, thus ensuring high returns on your capital investments. A fine way to monopolize the markets. Let's take for example the working of this fully automatic large-scale plant with an output of 12,000 birds per day. The entire process begins by first hanging the live chicken on the shackles. Then the hocks are washed to remove droppings stuck to them. The chicken then passes through the stunning unit, wherein it is stunned by passing a low voltage through the chicken, thus making them semi-conscious and insensitive to pain. So you can rest easy, our machines work the humane way. Post this, the chicken is manually slaughtered the halal way, thus ensuring healthy meat. After this, the chicken passes through the bleeding area, letting all the blood drain away at one place only, thus leaving no hygiene worries for you. Next, the chicken passes through the scalding tank for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, which has hot water at 55 to 58 degrees Celsius, so that the bird is properly scalded and now ready to be plucked. The chicken then enters the disc plucker, where all the feathers are removed. As you can see, the machine does a perfect job not just in plucking but also in collecting the feathers. Evisceration. Here, the internal organs are removed and segregated. The edible parts go in for further treatment whilst the unedible is disposed of. The chicken goes through a shower, thus giving it a thorough cleansing. This clean chicken is mechanically removed from the shackles by the hock unloader or the hock cutter, whichever you prefer. The chicken is now dropped into the screw chiller, where it passes through cold water for about 20 to 30 minutes at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius so as to chill the chicken up to its bones, thus retarding bacterial growth. After this, the chicken passes through the drip drum, which drains out all the excess water collected in the cavity. Finally, the dressed chicken is ready for further processes, which are packaging, cutting or boneless chicken meat. You could also use our gizzard peeler and have all the edible parts put in and packed neatly into the chicken. You could also avail of our portioning machine, which helps cut pieces evenly and more hygienically. R&D machines not only deliver the perfect meat but also ensure absolute cleanliness. At R&D, all our machines are made out of stainless steel, thus eliminating the possibility of rust and corrosion. This enables you to clean the equipment with absolute ease. If yet you need us, our R&D service engineers will be more than happy to do the already simple task for you. To us, you are the Alpha and the Omega. We don't just deliver, we also maintain. For this, we have R&D service engineers to set up, run and provide after-sales service to help move your business forward and up on the profitability graph. Rest assured, we are here to stay, not just passing through. So let's turn to the R&D way now.